Hi, this is John. Today I'm going to share you two cool functions that could be very beneficial to your work. The first one is how do you quickly select a very big matrix in a second. That could consist of thousands of columns and rows. Second, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut F5 to quickly locate multiple empty rows in a big matrix that you can use to sum or delete those empty rows that are not next to each other. Let's get started. For a small table, you can just drag and select the table. But if this table consists of thousands of rows and columns, then it's very hard. So what you can do is Control Shift right arrow and then Control Shift and down arrow. So the whole matrix is selected. But if there are some blank rows in between, then you have to do it multiple times to select the whole matrix. However, if there are no blank rows in between, then just click Ctrl A to select the whole matrix. That's the easiest way to do. Now here comes the second topic. Suppose you have multiple empty rows in a big matrix. How can you do a sum of them very quickly? Let's add subtotal into the empty spot first. A traditional way to do is you can select those empty spots and out equal. This is okay for a small matrix, but if you have a big one with multiple ones, then it's not very efficient. Today I'm going to show you with another approach that can handle this situation very easily. What you want to do is first Control A, select the whole matrix, and then press F5 and select the blanks, and then OK. So now all the blank rows are checked, and then hit out equal. Now you got the answer in just 1 second. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell. Feel free to leave your comments. I'll see you guys next time.